Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's Product Peek, we're taking a look at the Noble AXL Pro Quad Axleback for the 2022 Subaru WRX. It's time to get loud. If you're in the market for all of the sound and look of a full exhaust but without the price tag, check out the Noble AXL Pro Quad Exit Axleback. This exhaust comes in a popular burnt tip finish and is a full replacement for your factory OEM muffled rear section. Construction is stainless steel with 2.5-inch piping, coupled with two 4-inch double-walled tips. Installation is a simple direct bolt-on to your factory mid-pipe and exhaust hangers, plus comes with new gaskets. So here are the facts. It looks good, it fits good, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. But let's fire this thing up and give it some revs. So thanks for taking a look at the Noble AXL Pro Quad Exit Axleback for the 2022 to present Subaru WRX. For more parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.